I am Joemar Pelegrino Jr. I'm originally from Cebu, Philippines. I love cooking. It's 19 years of experience. Until now, I still love it. I know my capabilities. I know my skills. I know my knowledge. Especially the food that I make, I know that people will love it. Cooking means love, passion, attitude. You express yourself. You express who you are on the plate. That is cooking. Cooking is an art. CHEFIN concept is very, very interesting and it's very creative. But CHEFIN got a very, very good idea that bringing private chef into the house, meeting people, challenge yourself, know the appetite and the taste buds. That is chef means. I'm looking forward to cooking to all people around Australia.